Okay, what I've done with the system so far, I'll get back so you can see it. I installed the floor and braces underneath. There's 3 of them in there, and you can see, let's see, right here there's one shooting across there, there's one shooting across, and there's one shooting across. And this is only the bottom shelf. And what I'm going to do here is eventually this bottom row will be nothing but golf cart batteries across the bottom, and then second shelf will be these batteries across the top. So I got them in, I got them wired up. The big wire you see there is 4/0 wire, way oversized for what I'm running now, but I didn't want to have to buy stuff twice, so just got the big stuff now. And here, I think this is about 6 or 4 gauge wire. That's probably 4 gauge. We'll compare it to this 6 gauge I bought. Got a good deal on this 6 gauge. The difference between those two, it's about the same. It's hard to tell. So 4 or 6 gauge. Anyway, that's what the golf cart was put together with, 36 volt. Now, I could probably do to increase that wire size, but I only have one of those left, so I need to get 3 more. So next time I go get some more of these batteries, I'll buy a bunch more of them 4/0s and put them together. Oddly enough, I went to the store to buy bolts for this, and these bolts were millimeter. I think they were number 6. Okay, so anyway, I got this battery bank wired, and I got it jumping over to here, and you can see it just jumpers and will transfer into the 4/0. Now, I could have headed them up there and connected them to these buses, but what's the difference if I connect them there or here? 4 feet of a 4/0, so not much. I got to get me some more bolts and stuff for the bus bars. So I also rearranged the wires. I did have this bolted in down here. I moved it up there, which is the same bolt I used for the mount. Kind of helps me save on a stainless steel nut and bolt and washer. I got that one in there, and same thing on that one. So from there, again, just straight up there, up to the inverter. So now what I did for a test, or what I'm going to do for a test, is first of all, let's go ahead and turn some stuff on and see how our voltage is looking. Oops. .72, 12.7, fully charged. Okay. Reading 12.6 there. Close enough. Okay. And again, not again, but anyway, I don't have anything coming from the solar yet. I still have to connect that up. It's sitting over there, and I still have to run the big set in here at 74 volts. I'm going to get the little Harbor Freight and my homemade ones hooked up now, but still waiting on my charge controller. Okay. So what I did, and what I want to do, is previously I tested the refrigerator kicking on, see how many amps it draws, and see how well it kicks in. And I'm gonna, this will be my next thing to install after I run this test. Okay, so out of here we just ran it over into a splitter, and I've got the watt meter installed. So from there, I have this running to the refrigerator. So as soon as I turn this on, bam, the refrigerator's going to turn on. And let's see what happens. I'm going to turn this on. Well, that's warming up real quick. I want to temporarily incorporate the capacitor, and I'm just going to connect it there. I'm connecting it. I'll show you where I'm connecting everything to here in a minute. Obviously the Teslas don't carry a whole lot of amperage, so what I'm going to do is double up, just kind of increase the capacity. Capabilities of the wire. Okay. So it says 12.5. Let's get this up just a little bit higher. So I'm getting both in there. That's what I was waiting for that to shut off. Okay, I'm going to flip the switch right here, turn the refrigerator on, and see how high the amps go. For your reference, which you can't see very well, is that this is 40, 80, 120 amps. Okay, here we go. See where the voltage dropped down to 12.38. When this drew the amperage, this recognized that there was a draw. Immediately dumped extra voltage in there, and the refrigerator kicked right on, no problem. Now let's see what we're getting here. $120 volts, 3.4 amps, and 285, 290, 280 something. Just roughly say 285 as far as the watts are concerned. Okay. Now this light has gone off, that voltage is stabilized, and we're reading 12.3. Obviously it's not actually 12.3 because we're just drawing power off the batteries. Now let's just come down here and see what our voltage is reading on directly at the battery. Still says 12.3 up above. And we're getting 12.41 there. And I'll shoot across over here to these batteries. And we're getting, let's see, positive, negative 12.4. Alright, well, anyway, so far so good. Just working, piecing it together.